We've been creating videos for over 15 years with over 1,100 videos created for YouTube. So we want to do something to thank our viewers like you. This year for 2020, we're hosting several video giveaways. For June, July, we'll be giving away 2 prizes. The first place winner will receive a complete PLC HMI starter bundle, which includes a Productivity 1000 starter kit like this, and a Seymour Micro touch panel like this one, with a Stride 8-port industrial Ethernet switch like this. This will give you everything you need for a complete automation control system. Our second place winner will receive one of our awesome self-adjusting cut and strip tools and a Vera driver bit set with ratchet. These tools are both outstanding and definitely a great addition to your toolkit. If you want to enter, listen up, because here is the important information you need to know. You must be over 18 to enter. You must live in the United States or Canada. We're limited to our current customer shipping locations. To enter the complete automation control system contest, we ask that you leave us a comment to this video down below and let us know what you would use the Productivity 1000 PLC for if you won. Will you use it on a new machine or replace an older control system or PLC? Would you use it on a hobby project? If you have no clue what the Productivity 1000 or a PLC is, then you probably don't need it or want it. Last, you must go to this link and register your contact information so that we can contact our winners and find out where to ship their prize. The link can also be found below in the description. This giveaway runs from June the 15th until July the 13th. On July the 13th, 2020 at noon Eastern Time, we'll select 2 prize winners and contact you through the information provided in the contest link. Subscribe to our channel and share our videos with all your coworkers and friends. Remember, we'll be giving away more free products this year. Be sure to check out our video search tool to quickly find the videos you need. Official contest rules are below in the description. Again, make sure you comment below with what you use the Productivity 1000 PLC on and fill out your contact info on the contest link. Thank you for watching and good luck.